Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Today's video is sponsored by WowAfrican. They sent me a gorgeous kinky straight wig as well as these little goodies and stuff. I got some clips, a really cool comb, all types of stuff, honey. I don't want you waiting too long. And this is the wig. She is a short, kinky straight frontal wig with amazing quality lace. All of the details about the hair will be down below in the description bar, so definitely check that out if you're interested in the wig. I'm going in and trimming about an inch off the front just to make sure that the wig is like a very even, blunt cut. Sometimes when you order bob wigs, they kind of tend to swing a little bit longer in the front, so I'm just kind of tightening that up, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the layers. So I pulled a pretty wide section from the front of the crown all the way up until the length that I wanted, and then I cut it straight across, and I just followed that cut all the way across the crown area, and then I parted out the back and I'm pulling the hair out and cutting it straight down at like a 45-degree angle. And this just creates some really nice layers in the back that blend into the top, so it's not so heavy at the bottom with lots of layers on top. It'll be layered all the way through.
Down to earth, when you nesting on Mars, you comment on how I move. Too much space to assume, but I'ma tell you the truth. Shit, now when I'm gone and I'm wrong, round the globe for 3 months, that's too long.
And I'm taking my 1-inch babbleless irons and just silk pressing everything out. I'm going over the roots a few times just to get a lot of that texture out of it. You want to keep a little, but you also want it to be really silky and straight. So get in there, girl. Use them flat irons and get it as straight as possible. And once it's straight, you can really see how layered the cut is. I did my thing on this cut. Okay, I put my foot in it. And to really accentuate it, I'm going in and now I'm just bumping the hair, and that's going to create a small curl at the end, and it's going to add so much texture to the style. It is so pretty. I'm from Chicago and we used to wear our hair in feather wraps. Some people still wear them, girl, and they are super fluffy like this. I just love it. Baby, I'm acting. I get you what you want. Now don't be talking about my little struggle ball cap. But this is the inside of the wig. It came with combs around the frontal as well, but I cut those out and I only kept the comb in the back. And I'm just tightening up the adjustable band. All wrong, girl. I ended up fixing it before I put it on, but it's at the tightest setting, and I'm popping the wig on, and I'm really just trying to see how it fits. It fits really good ear to ear, but it's a little low in the middle for my hairline, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So I'm parting out an area in the middle where I can kind of make it match my hairline a little bit better. And I'm literally just pulling the hair out of the lace. You could go in and cut the lace straight away, but I like to give the lace a zigzag cut, and I want to make sure all of the hair I need gone is gone, so that's how I do it. And I'm following that up by putting a little bit of foundation on the lace right in front of the hairline, and then I'm trimming the hair in a zigzag motion, because if you're new to my channel, I've been really feeling the whole cutting the lace before I install it thing again. That's how I used to install my lace wigs, and I kind of stopped recently with the whole, like, you know, install it then cut the lace method. But baby, I'm back. You know, this has really been working for me lately, so I went ahead and cut the lace. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this olive oil lace spray, and it melts the lace. The hold isn't great, so it's not going to last more than like a day or two, but as far as like the look of it, it's a vibe. Now, if you want to make it last a bit longer, I would use it together in cahoots with the Even spray or a really nice lace glue like the Bold Hope one. I did end up taking a little bit of that Even spray on the ear tabs just because those always lift on me. And while the edges are melting, I'm going in and styling the back a little bit more. As you can see, the layers are hitting, okay? I'm going in with my hot comb and I'm just kind of giving it that fresh press bump at the root in the front. It adds a lot of volume to the hair. And then I'm playing with my part a little. First, I'm like, let me see what the side part is giving, and I'm in love, of course. You want to make sure that you press out your parts all the way around, especially in the back so that your tracks are covered where the frontal and the wefts meet. And of course, we have to try a middle part. Is it my channel if we don't try a middle part? It's super cute. It's giving very much like I just got my ends clipped, and I love it. So it's time to part out the baby hair. I was gonna leave the hairline clean for this look, but I decided it would be a little bit spicier with some baby hair. So I'm pulling a little bit of hair out, hot combing it forward, then I'm trimming it, curling it, and laying it with a little bit of edge control. Baby, I get you what you want. And girl, come to find out, my 1-inch Babyliss irons curl my edges better than my little mini irons. I'm kind of over them. I don't know why, but me and them have not been getting along lately. So please, 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 please link me you guys' favorite pencil irons down below, or whatever iron that you use for your soft baby hairs or your frontal baby hairs. Your girl needs suggestions, okay? And the baby hair weren't quite laying how I needed them. I was not having a good baby hair day, so I had to play with them a little bit. And I'm just going in and tidying up the curls before we get into the final look. This is it. She is cute. I added an extra little soupy swoop in the middle. But get into the layers, honey. Don't act like my hair ain't luxurious, because you know it is. Okay, if you don't know that Cat Williams stand-up, you may be a little too young to be here, but hey, baby, how you doing? The middle part is super cute. It's so fluffy. The layers in the back are so pretty. The even cut, everything looks super healthy. This looks like my hair, but a silk press without the damage. And I'm here for it. Are we here for it? What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. Thank you again to WowAfrican for working with me, and I will see you guys in my next one. I love you. Bye, babes.